5.2013 Lexus LX 570 Sport Utility. This vehicle features the following equipment: automatic, gas 5.8, 5.7 L346, 4WD keyless start, locking limited slip differential, 4-wheel drive, tow hitch, air suspension, active suspension, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, tires front performance, tires rear performance, conventional spare tire, Sunday moonroof, luggage rack, running board side steps, rear spoiler, automatic headlights, fog lamps, privacy glass, heated mirrors, power mirrors, integrated turn signal mirrors, mirror memory, power folding mirrors, intermittent wipers, variable speed intermittent wipers, rain sensing wipers, AM/FM stereo, CD player, premium sound system, satellite radio, MP3 player, Bluetooth connection, telematics, auxiliary audio,